Well, since the inauguration day is canceled and we have a severe weather event coming up, it's time to siren test all the radios, starting with my AlertWorks EAR-10. Next up, we have the WR-300. Here's the test siren. And here's the warning siren. It's a version 8, by the way. Here's the Sangean CO100. The Zone Guard does not have a siren test function. WR100. WR120, the loudest in my collection. The 12-521. The Zone Guard. There goes that one. That's it. And now we have the beacon siren.
Winds 25.
I'm going to put it on this again. The FR800 does not have a siren test function. The Recom R1630. The Midland WR400. The 12-991. The 12-260. The WX67 does not have a siren test function, I don't think. Neither does Lil Kobe or the Eton ESP 2100. And yeah, that is a siren test of all the radios in my collection that are able to be siren tested. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for hopefully the upcoming weather event, Inauguration Day. But yeah, that's it.